Hello everyone, my topic is design and in vitro release studies of orodispersible film of promethazine. Promethazine is used as antipruritic H1 antagonist and anti-allergic agent. It is available in market as tablet dosage form, but its absolute oral bioavailability is only 25%, which is due to acid degradation and first pass metabolism. This issue can be resolved by the use of orodispersible film, also known as oral thin films. Oral thin films are relatively new drug delivery system in form of self-dissolving flexible films. They can be designed as single or multi-layered system depending upon the therapeutic needs. The films are taken orally and can be applied on or under the tongue. After coming in contact with saliva, they release drug within several seconds without need of additional water intake. For the oral mucosa, the drug enters directly into the bloodstream. In that way, a rapid onset of action is achieved by avoiding the first pass metabolism as well as acid degradation by the stomach. Oral thin films are discreet and convenient dosage form, ideal for traveling children as well as elderly patients who have difficulties to swallow. The objectives of this study are to design and develop orodispersible films of promethazine, to characterize the prepared film for various in vitro parameters, to perform dissolution study in comparison to marketed formulations. The oral thin films are prepared by dissolving 500 mg of HPMC with 50 mg of promethazine and 50 mg of polyethylene glycol 400 under the magnetic stirrer until a clear homogeneous solution is obtained. Then this solution was poured into a glass petri dish and kept for drying in hot air oven at 40 degrees C. After drying, the film was segmented with knife and packed in aluminium foil. The thickness of film was then measured by thickness gauge with accuracy of 0.01 mm, and the mean thickness was found to be 0.2 mm. The tensile strength was measured by in-house fabricated instrument and was found to be 1703 gram per centimeter square. The elongation study was performed by taking an appropriate length of film and then applying force on both the ends of film. The length at which the film breaks was noted, and the percentage elongation of the prepared film was found to be 13.33%. The disintegration study of the film was compared with the marketed available tablet dosage form, and the film shows a disintegration time of 129.33 seconds with a standard deviation of 2.516 seconds. Where the marketed tablet shows disintegration time of 1793.67 seconds with a standard deviation of 21.64 seconds, which is approximately equal to 30 minutes. Also, the dissolution studies were compared between the orodispersible film and marketed available tablets. And as we have seen, the orodispersible film shows a more than 70% release in 5 minutes with complete release of 99% in 15 minutes, whereas the marketed tablet shows only 93% release in 30 minutes. These are some marketed formulations which are very successful, like lysertine, melatonin, on-film, trimenic, etc. The developed orodispersible films of promethazine were found satisfactory and efficient to serve the purpose of swift drug release and action compared to conventional dosage form, that is tablet. In vitro drug dissolution study shows more than 95% of drug is dissolved in 15 minutes as compared to marketer formulation, which shows the dissolution of 70% in 15 minutes and 93% in 30 minutes. The Lee's data confirms that fast dissolving films have greater viability than the oral tablets of promethazine